Hi guys, Sean here. Are you tired of wasting your hard-earned money on Google, Facebook, and Bing ads? We all want to start a business online so we can make a lot of money, right? I want to get straight to the point without wasting your time so you can see how this product can change everything for you. You could burn so much money on Google, Facebook, and Bing ads just to test the couple of offers, which one is converting well for you. And in that process, you're going to lose and burn a lot of money. That there is a better, powerful, and simple solution out there that hardly anyone is talking about. Most people think that you can only advertise to local businesses on Craigslist, which is true. You can make a fortune by selling to local clients on Craigslist, but there are hidden sections on Craigslist where you can promote and advertise your make money online offers with great success. I created this course to have you in mind. Get ready to harness the power of Craigslist, make ton of money, and dominate the ad platform. Click on the button below, and I will see you inside the members area.